Hey guys, so I got here at Walmart and I want to tell you a way that you can make money from home and how I did it back in 2020 during the pandemic. Now, if you ever at Walmart's hallways cruising around while you wait for your wife to shop for a few minutes, we all know what that means.
I will be back in a few minutes with a few things.
Okay.
All right, I'm ready. Give me your credit card, baby.
Beer mugs are still around $1.50 on 2026. Now, what can you do with this? You may ask. Well, if you own a vinyl cutter, you can also get them on different stores. There are different prices and different sizes. But what can you do with these vinyl cutters? Well, I'm about to show you how much money I make during the pandemic. So let's go back to 2020. So this handsome guy was me back then. Man, did I gain some weight. Well, that was me at the dollar store, and I used to get those 28 ounces beer mugs for $1 back then. But you can still get them for around the same price, not even $2 yet. But you can still get them, and you can make really good money with these beer mugs. How so? Well, if you own a vinyl cutter, like I said, you can put a small decal on it and sell them online. But make sure you get some of those bubble wrapping things. You can also get them for a good price because you will need them, and that is a way to keep your beer mugs not broken. You don't want to get a bad image on your customers, because if you break them, you gotta replace them. So anyway, here's a shot from my eBay store, and you can see all the sales that I made, from single beer mugs to a set of 3 beer mugs. Now you may be asking, what is this decal? Well, it is from a team that won, some soccer team from Mexico, and I knew for sure that it was gonna be trendy on eBay. So make sure you subscribe to Google Trends, and you can even search different countries and see what's trending on Mexico, whatever, and you can see a lot of sporting events. So once you see which team won and you can make it with your vinyl cutter, you should definitely check that out. But first, I invite you guys to give this video a hype. Don't be cheap with me, and I will appreciate it because this will help me create more amazing content and money ideas for you. I will also appreciate if you can get any of the machines that I will mention on this video through our links, so that way we can also make a commission. I really appreciate your guys' support. Thank you guys so much. So anyway, let's continue with the video. Now, here's another money idea from home. Well, if you are at Walmart, you can see the fabric section. Get one of those babies right there. Those machines can make you really good money. Well, how so? Well, I make flags from home, like really easy 3-color flags like this German flag, and I've been making really good money selling them online. So I also have some videos about these flags. I will try to make some more videos, but you can definitely make really good money selling this on eBay with just a sewing machine that barely costs 200 or 150, depending on how cheap or how much you want to invest on your business. So anyway, here's some of the sales that I made recently, and really good price. But thank you guys so much. Hopefully you liked this video. If you did, give it a hype, a like, and subscribe. I'll see you on the next money idea video.